Hello friends, welcome to this video where we'll see in detail about the accounting software which forms the second part of the computerized accounting system. So far we have seen automation of accounting, then what is computerized accounting system? As I have mentioned previously, accounting software forms the base for computerized accounting system. So come let us see what is an accounting software. So accounting software is like any other software, but it helps us in doing various accounting tasks, that is bookkeeping, recording of transactions, preparation of final accounts, etc. It is the main feature which enables the implementation of computerized accounting system, and thus it forms a very important part of the CAS. There are various examples of accounting software. Some of them are QuickBooks, Tally, GNU Cash, Zoho Books, Busy. Busy was the accounting software which was introduced in the year 1997 exclusively for the purpose of inventory control. Now, how would you choose an accounting software? So factors determining your choice of accounting software, the major four factors would be obviously affordability, whether you are able to afford a high cost software or a very low cost one, and the knowledge of your staff, because whatever software you are installing, your staff must be able to access it smoothly and easily. So if you have young staff, they are actually enthusiastic in learning new softwares. Whereas if you have experienced ones, it is very difficult for you to train them in today's modern softwares. Next, nature of work. If you have a very simple work, then you can go for a very simple accounting software. But at the same time, if your work is too complicated and requires a very professional accounting software, then you have to opt the same. Also, the level of security of your information plays an important role. If you are going to use this automation accounting, the computerized accounting system and the accounting software only for a very small part in your organization, that is say only to maintain the payroll accounting, then you can go for a low secure software. Whereas if you are going to maintain your whole accounts in this automation accounting and the accounting software, then definitely you have to opt for a highly secured accounting software. Now there are various types of accounting software: ready to use, customized and tailored. Now it is important to note that you don't get special softwares in each variety. That is, the software is same. You can either use it just like that as ready to use, or you can customize only few options as per your need, or you can totally customize the software. That is, you can tailor the software as per your needs to suit your business needs. So a same software can be customized, tailored, or just like that used as ready to use. Come, let us see what are the different features of these three types of accounting software. So the nature of the three software are: the ready to use software is very easy to learn and you can easily train your employees in that. Also, it is very cheap when compared to the other two, and the security level in the ready to use software is very low. So it is suitable for very small enterprises only. The customized software is comparatively tough to be learned and trained, and similarly it requires a little higher level of training. The cost is little more than the ready to use software, whereas less when compared to the tailored softwares. The security purpose is when you customize one particular information, that is in an accounting software, if everything is normal and if you want to attach a special feature called including vouchers only for sales invoices, that is whenever you make a sale you want a voucher to be attached along with it, so you are customizing the software as per that need, then the security feature will be applied only to those sale vouchers. So only those sale vouchers will be secured from theft and cyber crimes. So the security level is a little more than ready to use but not as secure as tailored softwares. So it is recommended for medium and a little not like too big concerns, but still a comparatively less employees, but you have a little reasonable work to do. Then this software can be used in your enterprise. Tailored softwares. Tailored softwares are the high-end software wherein the nature is complicated. The level of training required is also very high and it's a very costly one. So it is used only in large manufacturing concerns and the whole accounting system turns to be highly secured. An accounting software, as I said earlier, can be customized or tailored. A best example would be SAP, which is the short form of Systems, Applications and Products. SAP is an accounting software which enables their users to customize the software according to their needs. So when you install this SAP, every concern can customize the SAP according to their needs and use the software. So we just saw how to choose an accounting software, what are the factors involved in choosing the same, and we compared and contrasted. So this whole process in accounting terms is termed as sourcing of an accounting software. That is, you are searching where the source of this accounting software is and you are choosing the best one which suits your concern the most and you are making the right choice. So sourcing of accounting software means analyzing the all available accounting software and then coming to a consensus which software will suit your firm the best. So with this we come to the end of this video about the accounting software. The summary of this video would be, we have seen what an accounting software is, how to select a best accounting software, and what are the different types of accounting software that is available. Hope this is useful, and with this we come to the end of the whole thing called automation accounting. We have covered automation accounting, computerized accounting system and accounting software, the three different topics in three separate videos. Hope those three just gave you an overview of what these three topics are. So till we meet again in the next video, this is Sangeeta Selvan. Thank you.